Hi guys! May nag-challenge sa akin. I'll show you.
Si Mimi Naval. Ana siya, hiker siya, can you do makeup challenge using lipsticks only? And colors you will use are violet, pink, red, bloody red, orange, blue, and green. Unfortunately, wala ako nun. Kaya gagamitin ko na lang kung anong meron.
I have concealer and powder. Yan. I'm gonna use this parang skin tone muna. Actually, dark siya. Bahala na. Good luck sa'yo, Day. So, since dark siya, pwede natin siyang gawing pang contour. Yan. Cheeks.
Pampagamay ug nawog.
Diba? And then, next, ito. Yan, i-blend ko. Pink! Then, this metallic. Lisod siya, bay. So, mahirap ha. This is so difficult. Then, I think I'm going to use this as a eyeliner rin. I'm gonna try lang. Malay mo mag-work. Mag-work ba? Oh, lisod! Pink cheeks. Challenge jud siya, bay. It's mahirap. Okay. And then, so kung dagdagan pa ng parang
Okay, hindi pala bagay itong lipstick. Ano ba yan? Erase, erase, erase.
Orange. And then, ayan. So, what do you think sa aking look? Na-realize ko, mahirap pala pag lipstick lang. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Krisha Uy, Inday Krisha. Like my Facebook page, Krisha K. Jans Uy, and follow me on Instagram, Krisha Uy, for more tips. And ano pa ba? Salamat kaayo, guys.